Good afternoon. Now we will see unit 2 one by one. We will see methods to solve the equations. That is system of equations. So now we will start with the Gauss elimination. So we are in this video first method, that is Gauss elimination method, and then we will go with other methods in next video. So we will have first problem for Gauss elimination. So we have problem, solve the following system. So we have solve the following system. Solve the following system. Following system by Gauss elimination method. By Gauss elimination, L-A-L-I, elimination method. Now we have given x1 plus 3x2. So we have x1 plus 3x2 plus 5x3 equal to minus 4.4. Second, we have 5x1 plus 10x2, 5x1 plus 10x2 plus 19x3 plus 19x3, which is equal to 6.7. And third equation, we have 30x1. So we have 30x1 plus 52x2, 52x2 plus 100x3 plus 100x3 equal to minus 1. So we have this problem and we have to solve this problem. Now in this problem, we have to eliminate one by one. We have to first eliminate x1, then we have to eliminate x2, and by eliminating x1 and x2, we will get value of x3. Means first we will find x2 and x1 in terms of x2 and x3, x1 in terms of x2 and x3, and then we will find, so now we are with x2 and x3, and then we will find x2 in terms of x3, and then we have only equation that is in terms of x3 only, and then we will have solution of this equation. So now here we will get x1 that is equal to, from equation 1. So I will write equation 1, 2, and 3. So I will write from equation 1. So from equation 1. So we have x1 equal to minus 4.4 minus 3x2 minus 5x3. This is my equation x1 in terms x1 from equation 1. Now I will substitute this value of x1 in equation 2. Substitute x1 in 2 and 3. In 2 and 3. So we will substitute this value of x1 in 2 and 3. So we have 5. I am substituting it in 2. 5 in bracket x1 we have minus 4.4 minus 3x2 minus 5x3 plus 10x2 plus 19x3, and that is equal to 6.7. So now we can solve this. So we have minus 22 minus 15x2 minus 25x3 plus 10x2 plus 19x3, and that is equal to 6.7. And now if you solve this, then we have minus 15 plus 10. So we have minus 5x2, then minus 25 plus 19. So this is minus 6x3, and then we have 22 goes on this side. So we have equal to 28.7. So our first equation will be, so this now I will mention it as 4. So I will write this equation on this side. So we have minus 5x2, then we have minus 6x3, and that is equal to 28.7. Now I will put it in equation 3. 3 we have 30x1. So I will write 30, and value of x1 we have minus 4.4 minus 3x2. So minus 4.4 minus 3x2 minus 5x3. Then remaining terms we have to write as it is, plus 52x2 plus 100x3 equal to minus 1. Now this is our equation 4. Already we have written backside. So now we will solve this. So we have this value that is equal to 0, that will be 44 into 3. So we have this value 44 into 3, 132. So we have minus 132, then minus 13 threes are 19x2 minus 150x3 plus 52x2 plus 100x3 equal to minus 1. And then minus 90, 52. So 90 minus 52, we have 38 minus 38x2, then minus 50x3 equal to 131. This is equation 5. Now from equation 4, I will find value of x2. So we have minus 5x2 equal to 28.7 plus 6x3. Now we will divide it by minus 5. So we have minus 28.7 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5x3. And we will substitute this value of x2. Substitute x2 in 5, in equation 5. And in this equation we will get minus 32 in bracket minus 28.7 upon 5, that is constant, minus 6 by 5 x3. Then we have minus 50x3 equal to 131. And if we will solve this, 38 into 28.7 by 5 is 218.12. So 218.12 minus, again minus plus. So we have 38 into 6 by 5 plus 45.6. So plus 45.6 x3 minus 50x3, and that is equal to 131. And when we will solve this, so we will have this value. So this 38 multiplied by 28.7 by 5 is 218. Okay. So now we have this x3, we have this x3. So we have minus 4.4 x3, and this 218 goes on this side. So we have minus 218.12. And from this we will get value equal to 131 minus 218.12 minus 87.12. And from this we will get x3, that is equal to divided by minus 4.4 is 19.8. So we have value of x3 as 19.8. Substitute in equation 4. Substitute in equation 4. Substitute in equation 4. Now you can see we have equation 4 minus 5x2. So we have minus 5x2 minus 6x3, and that is equal to 28.7. 28.7. Now we will substitute value of x3. So minus 6, and we have this value as 19.8 equal to 28.7. So we have minus 5x2 equal to 28.7 minus 118.8. And from this we will get x2, that is equal to minus 28.7 divided by 5. So we have this value x2, we have 28.7. So 28.7 minus 118.8 divided by 5. So actually I have this value, that is 1 minute, just I will see. So we have this value, that is minus 22, and 28.7 minus 5x2, and we have this value, that is equal to x3 19.8, and when we will put it minus 5x2, so this will be minus, goes on this side, actually becomes plus. So we have 28.7 plus 118.8 divided by 5 is 29.5. So value of x2 we have 29.5, and this x3 and x2 substitute in equation 4. Now you can see what is our equation 4. Sorry, not in equation 4. We have to put it, we have not given any name to this equation. So let us, I will say capital A. We have x1 is minus 4.4. So I will write capital A. X1 we have minus 4.4. Then we have minus 3x2 minus 5x3. Minus 3x2 minus 5x3. And then we will substitute value minus 4.4 minus 3 into x2 we have 29.5, and x3 we have 19.8. And when we will solve this, we will have value of x1, that is equal to 3 into 29.5 plus so this value, if we will see, we have actually minus 29.5. So this is minus 29.5. So we have minus 4.4 plus 88.5 minus 5 into 19.8 is minus 99. And from this we will get value of x1, that is equal to minus 4.4 plus 88.5 minus 99 is minus 14.9. And so we have the values of x1, x2, x3. So we have x1 minus 14.9 x2 we have minus 29.5 and x3 we have 19.8. So likewise, we have to find the values of x1, x2, x3 by using Gauss elimination method. So this is our first method. So now we will stop here only. Thank you.